Hello, welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is algebraic fractions. Same rules as number fractions, just with letters in them. By the end of this, you'll know how to add them, multiply them, and cancel them down. And the one rule that catches every careless student. Definition. An algebraic fraction is a fraction with variables in the numerator or denominator or both. So x over 3 or x plus 1 over x minus 2. The rules of arithmetic still apply. Adding needs a common denominator, multiplying combines numerators and denominators, and cancelling only works on shared factors. Key insight. To add or subtract, find a common denominator first. To multiply, combine across, top times top, bottom times bottom. And to simplify, factorize both the numerator and the denominator. Then cancel any shared factor. Always factorize first, because most cancellation only becomes visible after factorizing. The critical rule: you cancel factors, not terms. So x plus 3 over x plus 5 does not simplify to 3 over 5. The x's aren't multiplied, they're added. Only multiplicative factors cancel. The same rule that stops you from cancelling individual terms inside a sum. Quick example, simplify x squared minus 9 over x squared plus 5x plus 6. Well, factorise the top, x minus 3 times x plus 3, and then factorise the bottom, x plus 2 times x plus 3. The x plus 3 cancels, so the answer x minus 3 over x plus 2.